Okay, so here's the mulabi or tugas, which I have with the trunk chop a few days ago. It's already pushing some very interesting, very promising shoots. We already have two very strong branches going up, this one and this one right here. So in the next few months it will grow wild, and if we can go home in June, we'll have more branches to choose from. Okay. This is the one where a huge portion of branches and leaves were stripped off because the dog got excited. It's also pushing some really nice growth. Kind of like wired it for position purposes. Okay, this is the first one I worked here when I got home. It's also pushing some really interesting growth, so very promising. That's the one where I heavily wired. It's also pushing some really interesting growth. So if we could like grab that one, put it on so we can appreciate it more. See? Okay, we have this very strong growth right here. That one. That's here. Apex. We have some really nice growth here over at the back. Also on this side. Below we have this one. It wasn't here after I did all the cuts. It's here now. Okay, so the tree is recovering and responding well. Responding well and recovering. This one are cuttings from that particular tree. I will have to ask my wife to plant them for me because I'll be leaving for Indonesia today. Okay. Also have an interesting project to be working on when I get back. This is a Nara tree. We already planted it there. It was planted in a small pot first, so I had it there. Hopefully in June or December I'm gonna start